What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best brushless RC car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is HAIBOXING Brushless Fast RC Cars. The HAIBOXING H16BM 1/16 scale brushless remote control truck is built for adult drivers seeking fast off-road action. It is designed with a powerful 4-pole high-torque motor rated at 4,200 kV, supported by a metal heat sink and cooling fans. This setup allows consistent performance during extended runs. The vehicle includes a 45-ampere electronic speed controller and independent receiver, making it easier to upgrade in the future. Its 4-wheel drive system is driven by metal gears and metal differential for smoother power distribution. A 5.5mm axle combined with M4 nuts increases the durability. 16 ball bearings help reduce power loss, enhancing driving efficiency. The honeycomb chassis uses strong material tested under extreme conditions to improve strength. Reinforced front and rear metal sheets are added for extra impact resistance. Adjustable pull rods and a 3-wire servo with 2.1 kg/cm torque help navigate tough terrain. The sponge-inserted tires are pre-mounted and combined with oil-filled absorbers, delivering stability and grip even during jumps or high-speed turns. The truck handles flips and wheelies with ease, especially when powered by the 2-cell 7.4-volt 1050 mAh 25C lithium polymer battery. On this setup, speeds can reach around 45 km/h. For even more performance, the system supports a 3-cell 11.1-volt lithium polymer battery through its smart 45-ampere electronic speed controller. Under optimal conditions, this allows the truck to reach about 68 km/h. The included 2.4 GHz 3-channel transmitter features light bar control and throttle limit switch. This makes it a solid choice for both skilled users and those new to high-performance remote control vehicles. In our list, the number 4 product name is HAIBOXING Brushless RC Truck Max Fast RC Cars. The HAIBOXING 16890 SA 1/16 scale remote control truck is built for those who enjoy driving across various surfaces. It runs with a 3,800 kV brushless motor and uses metal parts such as powdered gears and universal driveshafts. The outer shell is made from reinforced polyamide material, giving it added strength during impact and motion. With a 4-wheel drive layout and a carefully built chassis, the structure includes front and rear suspension for balanced movement. The oil-filled shock absorbers, metal balls, and smooth drivetrain work together to improve control and reduce vibration. A strong 2.2 kg high-torque servo adds precision when changing direction or navigating tough areas. This remote control truck uses a 2.4 GHz system that works up to about 330 feet. A separate receiver and electronic speed controller from HAIBOXING are included, offering protection from heat and water while also helping avoid motor jams. The vehicle includes a signal for low voltage and gives the option to adjust settings for different driving needs. 2 universal serial bus charging cables are part of the package for battery charging using your existing phone adapter. The body is made from 1mm thick polyvinyl chloride and includes customizable stickers. Tires with inner sponge filling and changeable paddle options provide better grip on sand or snow. A small device for added control during quick starts is attached at the rear. 2 rechargeable lithium polymer batteries with 7.4 volt and 1050 mAh capacity are included, one already placed in the truck and the other packed separately. This setup allows the vehicle to reach speeds up to 45 km per hour. By using a 3-cell battery, speed can increase to around 64 km per hour. In our list, the number 3 product name is HAIBOXING Brushless RC Truck Max Fast RC Cars. The 1/14 scale brushless remote control truck is built to deliver strong and exciting performance across different terrain types. It includes a heavy 1.2 kg chassis with a ground clearance of 50 mm that helps it move easily over rocks, dirt, or uneven surfaces. The tires are designed for all-terrain use and work well in dry, wet, or muddy environments. Its brushless motor operates at 45,360 rotations per minute, supported by a heat sink that keeps the system from overheating during long climbs or fast movement. This power source connects to a 3-cell 2200 mAh lithium polymer battery. When paired with the 20-watt charging system, the battery reaches full capacity in about 2 hours, allowing up to 25 minutes of intense operation. A 2.4 GHz remote provides extended control distance, up to 656 feet. The controller has a detachable base that helps with grip and accurate driving. With the ability to change between 15-tooth and 21-tooth gear setups, users can select more speed or torque depending on the conditions or type of driving they prefer. The transparent polycarbonate outer shell is ready for decoration with stickers and comes with mounts that support extra items such as lights or racks. The adjustable suspension system is modular and makes future improvements simple. A wing bracket allows users to attach action cameras for recording the vehicle's movements. This model reaches a top speed of about 80 km per hour using a 3-cell power setup. A signal system alerts the driver if battery energy drops too low. The flashing light and sound help prevent damage from overuse, ensuring the battery is charged before continuing. This setup combines creativity, control, and durability in one exciting remote vehicle. In our list, the number 2 product name is RLAARLO Brushless Fast RC Cars for Adults. The RLAARLO 1/14 scale brushless remote control truck brings strong performance for hobby drivers who enjoy off-road action. It includes a powerful 3-cell 35C lithium polymer battery connected with an XT60 plug, built for fast driving and stunt play. The brushless motor rated at 3,600 kV helps the vehicle flip back automatically after rolling over, saving time during active use. A 45-ampere electronic speed controller with its own switch and waterproof seal helps support steady operation even in rainy conditions. A heat sink and fan are installed to prevent overheating while pushing the car to high speed. The included aluminium wheelie bar and 75% throttle setting allow drivers to practice advanced moves safely. The original 16-tooth gear can be swapped with the 21-tooth pinion to achieve faster movement. Both the pinion and spur are cut from computer numerical control machined 45-grade steel for added reliability. A limited slip transmission setup reduces stress on parts, allowing smoother transitions at high velocity. Front and rear bars keep the wheels stable through sharp curves, minimizing roll and giving more control on rough paths. The frame is constructed from 6061 grade aluminum alloy, which helps with cooling during extended drives. Oil-filled suspension is installed with 500 rated fluid, and the internal differential uses 20,000 silicone oil for efficient torque handling. Steel components like the central drive and steering sections are made from 1144 carbon steel, offering strong resistance against breakage. The body uses 1.2 mm polycarbonate with added nylon shields on the roof, front, and back. A set of anti-loss clips is included to secure the shell, offering protection while improving the complete appearance of the vehicle. In our list, the number 1 product name is MEW4 Off-Road Truck Beginner RC Car. The MEW4 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive remote control truck is designed for outdoor fun and beginner-friendly control. It suits casual play during camping, picnics, or backyard games and is easy to carry due to its compact size. This remote control car moves easily across different surfaces, supported by a ground clearance of 4 cm, which helps it handle uneven paths and grassy areas. A brushed 390 motor powers the vehicle, offering smoother throttle response compared to brushless types. Its speed can reach up to 38 km/h in ideal conditions, thanks to the 21,000 rotations per minute capacity. This allows new users to develop driving skills with less sudden force while still experiencing strong performance. A complete metal drivetrain supports the structure, including constant velocity drive shafts and reliable differential components. The internal bearings and transmission work together to provide steady 4-wheel movement across dirt, gravel, or pavement. The frame uses a durable composite material for impact resistance during rough use. Oil-filled suspension with high rebound springs helps absorb shocks from rocks and dips. This makes the vehicle more stable while moving at higher speeds and supports smoother landings when coming off slopes or bumps. A pair of 1,500 mAh rechargeable batteries provides long-lasting use. With 2 battery packs included, drive time can reach about 45 minutes, depending on how it is used. The added time gives more freedom to enjoy without frequent charging. Replacement and upgrade parts are available, many compatible with popular third-party components. The included manual helps locate item numbers, making maintenance easier. This setup lowers the cost over time and makes it simple to keep the truck in top condition for extended enjoyment.